Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid. As you know, we are learning Tableau charts one by one, and today we are diving into Cumulative Line Chart. Looking at the chart, you can see 4 lines, each representing a different region: central, north, south and southern. The horizontal line at the bottom represent the month of actual date. This is where you can see the progression of time starting from 2021 to December 2022. The vertical line on the left shows the running sum of sales. Each colored line represent a different region. Central is in blue, north is in orange, south is in red, southern is in green. Notice how these lines start slow in April 2021 and gradually increase as time progresses. This shows that sales are building up over time. At the end of each line, you will see the numbers like 28, 24, 26, 57, 2342 and 88. These numbers represent the total sales by December 2022 for each region. For example, the southern region had the highest cumulative sales at 2824.
So now first of all, I will be adding my date to the columns. Then I will be adding the sales to the rows. Now this is showing me my line chart on the basis of years. I want to get more details. So for this, I will be replacing this year with month. So this is my month, and now I will be replacing this standard to entire view. On the screen, now we have a simple line chart, our month. Now I will be selecting this sales, clicking on this icon. Then I'm going to this quick table calculation and I will be selecting this running total. This changes our chart to a cumulative chart showing how sales grows over time. To make it more interesting, I will be adding the region dimension to the colors. Now we can see different lines representing each region. More you can see it in this window. This is central, this is north, this is south and this is southern. Next, I want to add the sales label to the end of each line. So I'm going to visit this mark section. In mark section, this is label and this is show mark labels. I will check it. Now this is showing data labels on each point for each month, but I want to display it at the end of the line. So for this, I'm going to select this line ends and I will disable this label start of line. So finally our chart is ready.
If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next episode of this incredible journey. Keep learning and keep growing. Goodbye.